you see what you should see. Aligned to reality. May you find what you do seek. Merry part and merry meet. People are curious on what lies ahead. We are not patient in waiting anymore. We want to be given hints on what will happen, maybe to prepare better or to attempt to change the course of events, so that we will minimize, if not eliminate, the effects of series of events to our person. In olden days, seers are consulted for important events. A progressive ancient city has its own famous priest or priestess, and they are sought and consulted by kings, emperors, queens, and leaders for outcomes of war, weather, or catastrophic events. While these seers do not hold political power, their recommendations are mandatorily followed, as they are said to be from the divine. Reading the cards is reading the energy of the one who consulted for a reading. The energy that is imbued in the cards are interpreted by the reader using cards that are prepared and cleansed for effective charging. Each reading is properly explained using the skills of the reader. It can be mastery of numerology, pictography, symbolism, or colors. It can also be interpreted using the innate ability that is distinct to the reader, like empathy, telepathy, or remote viewing, to complete the picture drawn by the energy of the person seeking the reading. Tarot cards are popular tools used to balance the need of one requesting for a reading and the demonstration of the reader's skills. To be accurate in interpreting the interplay of energies of the card at that very moment. With 22 major cards, called the Major Arcana, and 4 complete suites of cups, pentacles, swords, and wands. The tarot deck is then laid in different spreads to tell a story. It serves as a process and gives a picture aligned to the subject. A future video, zooming into the countless capabilities of the cards, will be released soon. This will capture the particular abilities and magic of specific cards, spread, and skill mastery. If it is the first time you will be reading tarot cards, it is okay to be uncomfortable. Think of the cards as a person you are meeting for the first time. The cards can potentially be your friend, once the trust and the right energies are in harmony. With the deck at hand, close your eyes and begin the connection. As you are reading energies, the cards must be cleansed and grounded. An energy residue can lead to unwanted results. It is advisable to purify the energies in and surrounding the deck for better, accurate readings. Here are some ways to do so. By sprinkling salt, energies are bound. Bathe with light when the moon is round. Smoke of sage in solid ground. Cleanse the cards, energies, spellbound. The divination cards have come a long way from the early centuries of its introduction as a game in medieval Europe. But the tarot cards are more than cards. It enjoys the ability to hold the energies and let the readers see them in different light. And so, I end this video with a blessing, hopefully with your tarot cards beside you. May you see what you should see, aligned to reality. May you find what you do seek. Merry part and merry meet.